Okay guys, we are in a 1984 Land Cruiser. I mean, this guy's taken care of for the last 20 some odd years. Just awesome. And the other day I went for a run. I always go on runs, I don't know where I'm going, and ran down, found this amazing river with these swimming holes and waterfalls and rope swings. So we're heading down there today, and we're gonna drive down this crazy Jeep trail and go have an adventure.
And why are we in this Land Cruiser?
We are thinking about buying this sweet baby to continue our overlanding trips, so we're giving it a try. Absolutely gorgeous. On top of this ridge, right here from this spot, I can see Punta Arenas out on the Nicoya Peninsula. Then right here behind me, I can see out to Quepos on both sides of the ocean. And then I can see San Jose over there, the lights. I mean, we're right on top of this gorgeous ridge, mountains all around. Just spectacular.
Daddy, go how fast? 12 miles an hour.
This is probably 12 miles an hour. So I run up here all the time, and I just drove past this. I was here a couple days ago. This baby got hit by lightning. The burn marks in there. And look at what lightning does to a big old tree. It just shreds it. Boom! Woo! And there I am in the mirror. There's the rest of the tree. Just got blasted.
I think my husband's in his element here. Chocolate what?
Love this, man. These babies were made for these kind of roads. This is crazy. In fact, this is probably the steepest road I've ever driven down. And this, I just got in first gear. We're just crawling on down. Smooth. Okay, we're getting down to the bottom of the valley here. Some jungle plants and a little stream we gotta cross.
Gotta keep the fire and keep the fire burning, keep the hope alive. You gotta keep it turning, yeah, lift me up. I'm moving.
Holy macaroni. This looks amazing. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's amazing.
This is unbelievable. Wow, what do you guys think?
Awesome.
This is more than awesome.
Please get me the two.
Hey, you ready? I'm ready. Cold.
Go, buddy.
Woohoo! So seriously, this is amazing. This is like a hidden secret. No one knows about this. Even the people that live in the town where we live don't even know about this place. Ray was like, hey, why didn't you tell me about this amazing place? And they were like, well, what are you talking about? It's a secret, it's a hidden gem that we found in Costa Rica. Okay, oh, woo! Hey girls, you ready?
Okay, girls. On three.
It's on!
Ready, Aaliyah? 1, 2.
You going?
Jump, Maya. Yeah.
Woo!
Yeah, good job. Woo. You got it, Aaliyah. Good job. Go for it.
Woohoo!
Yeah, Aaliyah.
Hi, bud!
Okay, I'm gonna go do a backflip. Can you get it right here?
Yay! Yay! Do you like that? What do you think, Sage? I can get another one, okay?
Yeah, baby, yeah.
Mommy, get back Guys, it fell in the water.
Stay there, be careful. Okay, Kaya's next. Go for it, Kaya.
Go! Shit!
You're too close to the camera.
Sorry.
Go for it.
Yeah!
Ooh. Okay, go, Kimball.
I'm not going.
All right.
Hold it real quick, I'm going.
Amazing. Burger's getting